Alright, here's ZEPP, Zepp. This is coming along the 2-line, 4-line you had to buy here, June. Didn't really work, but you had June 18th, 235. Here's the 2 to 4. Look at this, all the way to 14. They have the sell now, 722, 1196, 409%. Look at this big move up. Now, let's take a look in the other chart. So here's the arrow, the algo buy. It could have been a buy anywhere along here. And the 3 line really broke out. Look at what you see here, that candle above 3. Now, hasn't been above there. Tried here, but look at that. That's a clear sign that something's good. If this has been this long low and it's breaking out, you see 4, you see 6, you see all the way up to, what was this here? 1585. Now, once you're up here, this wasn't really a sell candle either. That was indecision candle. I mean, if it could have came back red the next day, but it didn't. So up here, it looks like the 14 tried to get over many times. It couldn't. To me, that's the sell here. Okay, see what it does here. Again, another red candle. Then yesterday, you're getting even lower. So I would have been out there, take the profit from here. And now it's definitely a short from there. So this is a tremendous move on Zepp. Let's take the weekly. You can see the weeklies here. Look at the weekly crossover. I had one here, but it didn't move. Double bottom here, moved. Now we're almost crossing over, so this could head down. And this has been a long downtrend. Look at this since January. You had the move here, inside move. It did break above that. That was a good move too. And see the monthly. Yeah, the monthly's coming up ever since. Let's go way back here. July 31st, 2024. Look at the low. Went up, went down again, but look at this. The low is getting higher each move here, here. Now we're going up, which is a better sign for longs here. See the 4 hour, you broke that 13 line. Now we're at 1181. You know, going straight down. Look at this, sliding all the way down. 2 hour, see the 13 break, 1181. You had to move here down. You crossed over back negative, which isn't good. And the 1 hour, trying to come up. The 1 hour looks better though. Here, bounce. You're trying to curl up. So you have a few lines here, that 13, the 11 line, a little below too. So I like that 11, and you got to have 1040, we'll say like 1050 to hold on this for it to have any, you know, the bulls to come back here, because that's a big candle going down. You had a low here was 1348, and then what I say was the other line right here, you know, the 1150 line right up here. So after the big run up here, pull back, run up again. Now you crossed over way back here too. Trying to get right about here. On the 16th, it was already crossing negative once you ran this far. You got to remember where you're coming from too. Not every move has to go like 1 to 100 or whatever, 1 to 50. You just ran from 2 to 16. That's absolutely incredible. So we'll see what happens in this one too in the future. That's it. Please subscribe to My Cam and Trades on YouTube. Peace.